Siser EasyPatterns Plus heat transfer vinyl has further streamlined the way their patterned HTV is applied onto fabrics. By skipping the masking requirements of EasyPatterns, this makes way for a transfer that's ready to apply in no time, similar to Siser's EasyWeed HTV. We'll be showing you how EasyPatterns Plus is cut and applied onto a cotton tote bag. Based on the measurements of your item, import and scale down your design on your vinyl cutter software. The most straightforward cut job for EasyPatterns Plus will be nothing more than a single layer design. Creating a knockout design with this and any other HTV will indeed be possible, though as an additional piece to a multi-layer design, EasyPatterns Plus sheets must be the top and final layer for the cleanest results. For a quick demonstration, we'll be going with a knocked out two-piece design using the mood ring and terrazzo sheets of EasyPatterns Plus. With the design's layers individually grouped, each one is now ready to be cut. Every separately branded machine and their software will work differently, but for Silhouette Cameo 4 cutters with an auto blade, you can set the following: material to heat transfer smooth, blade depth to 3, force to 6, and speed to 8. To ensure your machine will be able to cut smoothly, it's best to complete a test cut first to determine what settings you'll need to adjust further. Otherwise, you may begin cutting your EasyPatterns Plus sheets or rolls. With everything cut, simply weed each layer out and they'll be ready to apply onto an item. Turn on your heat press and set it to the same settings used for EasyWeed, 10 to 15 seconds at 305 degrees Fahrenheit with medium pressure. With your machine at temperature, bring your item to its lower platen and pre-press it for 2 to 3 seconds. Afterwards, add your EasyPatterns Plus transfer to your item where desired, cover it with a protective sheet and press. Once your machine has reached time, open it and peel your EasyPatterns Plus transfer hot or cold. Before continuing to apply additional layers, be sure to bring your item elsewhere each time to allow the transfers to completely cool down. Assuming you've applied your entire transfer, however, your item has now been customized with the vibrant EasyPatterns Plus design. To learn more about Siser vinyl and other materials, you can visit our YouTube channel or visit our website at heatpressnation.com.